Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to create custom icons on any iPad. So in this case, as you can see, I made this one icon because it does take a little bit of time. It's actually not that bad. So as you can see, as soon as I go ahead and click on this app, it takes me straight into the App Store. You do still get the Siri shortcut pop-up, but you can turn that off, I think, with the notification. So we can modify that later. So that's an example. Now, in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have the Shortcuts app installed on your device. So what this looks like is you go and type in Shortcuts either on the App Store or you can type it in on Siri Spotlight search. And you can see if we go to our App Store, we do have it installed right here. So you just want to make sure you have this app installed on your iPad. So once it's installed, you want to go ahead and open it up. And then what we can do is once it's open, we'll get into a page that looks something like this. Now at this point, all we have to do is go ahead and click on the plus button up top. And then we want to go ahead and search for the specific little thing that we want. So on the top or on the side, what we want to do is we want to go and click on open and we want to type in app. So what will happen is we'll see a couple of different things pop up, but under actions, we want to go and click open app, which is right there. So once you see this little panel, you are pretty much almost halfway done. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on choose, and we want to choose the application that we want to open when we click on it. So in this case, we'll just scroll through and let's just use something like Twitter if we have it. It looks like we don't. We'll just use the clock app as an example for Twitter for this example. So you would choose whichever app you want to. And then at this point, what you want to do is up top, you want to click on the three dots right there and it'll come straight into here. Now you don't really have to modify anything here. What you want to do is you want to click add to home screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and either go on the internet browser or whatever you want to do to get these stock images from. And all you want to do is download the images from Google and get these types of images. So in this case, what I did was I literally went to Safari just like this, and I typed in app icons like App Store icon like this, and I went and just downloaded these icons. So you can literally just search up what I did, hold it down like this, and download, add to photos right there. So once you have it on your app library like this or your Photos app, all you have to do is go back into your Siri shortcut. You want to go ahead and click on this little icon right there, and you want to click choose photo. So at this point, you want to go ahead and choose whichever photo that you wanted to. You can crop it down. You want to click use right there. And then you want to rename this. So you can go ahead and click here, and you can go ahead and type in Instagram, for example. So in this case, we can just type in Instagram like that. We can go and click add. And once we click add, you will see that once you swipe out of here, you will see that application right there. So that's pretty much how to do it. And when you click on it, it'll go ahead and open up straight into whichever app you were just in. You will get that little pop-up, but like I mentioned, I think you can turn that off within settings with notifications. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.